Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A06, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings, and from here scroll down to General Management, and at the bottom you'll see Reset. Scrolling down at the very bottom again you'll find Factory Data Reset. Click on it, and this will present you with a list of data that will basically what will be removed by this process. Now, importantly, in this list we have things like music, pictures, and all user data. The rest you don't really need to worry about. So, for instance, like downloaded apps, settings, system up data, and accounts, don't worry about those. You should only worry about the things that you put on the device yourself, like photos, that you won't be able to regain. So anyway, with that being said, if you need to create a backup, if you don't, go forward. Alternatively, if you need to create a backup, you have the Smart Switch option right here, which basically allows you to copy apps and data to a new device. Though Smart Switch implies that the other device is also Samsung, because Samsung is absolutely annoying when it comes down to this, so yeah. And if you try to use other options, at least from my personal experience, they weren't usually working too well, so the device would kind of stop transferring throughout the process, completely screwing it up. So when I was using Fold 4, I wasn't able to transfer over data back to my old Huawei, because I guess Samsung decided, screw you, you're not gonna do that. So I was forced to actually use the Smart Switch on my PC, because also transferring folders didn't work. So for some reason this application worked flawlessly, but any other connectivity just kind of kept interrupting. Now it's odd that it kept interrupting when manually copying it, but not when doing it with an application, while it's still plugged in the same way. So be very mindful. If you have some kind of problems, just know it's Samsung effing around and just being an annoying piece of crap. Now, with that being said, we can select Restart. As I have nothing that I want to back up on this device, then we can select Delete All. I do want to point out, between the one and this page, you might need to confirm your screen lock if you have one set. I do not. And furthermore, if you have a Samsung account, once you confirm your screen lock, it will tell you that you also need to sign out of your Samsung account. But only if you have Samsung account. If you have Google, I guess screen lock is enough. If you have Samsung, screen lock and password to your account is required, which begs the question, why was the screen lock needed in this case? But anyway, I can just jump straight into resetting the device without any kind of hassle and annoyance from Samsung, because, let's be honest, I don't use Samsung account, nor have I ever planned to. So this will begin shutdown, then remove all the data, start resetting itself, and when it's done, it's going to just boot up and you will be presented with Android setup screen. Now this process will take approximately 2 minutes or so, give or take, and I'm just going to let it run through and come back once it's finished. As you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.